I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video I will explain how to play Johnny Cage in Mortal Kombat 1. Johnny Cage is a fast, aggressive rushdown character, meaning he thrives when he is up close to his opponent. His quick normal attacks and special moves allow him to apply constant pressure. A key mechanic is his hype meter, which when built, lets you amplify special moves for enhanced damage and combo extensions. Your goal is to stay in your opponent's face and capitalize on their errors. Johnny Cage has several essential special moves. The Ball Buster, performed with back and front punch, is excellent for both pressure and extending your combos. His Shadow Kick, input with back and back kick, provides quick movement, can end combos effectively, and offers an armored wake-up option. Rising Star down, back, and front kick is a reliable anti-air and a strong combo finisher. Finally, Throwing Shade forward, back, and back punch gives you a projectile for zoning. To build basic combos, begin with quick normal strings such as Knuckle under the Buckle, which is 2 front punches. You can extend these by canceling into special moves like Shadow Kick or an amplified Ball Buster. Remember to use forward dashes to close gaps and link further attacks. For a strong finish, use Rising Star or aim for Crushing Blow if the conditions are met, maximizing your damage output with each successful sequence. For advanced play, mastering the hype meter is crucial. Build it quickly by using hype variants of your special moves or specific taunts. Once in the hype state, you can cancel special moves into other specials, creating incredibly long and damaging combos. Johnny's Quick Dash is also a powerful tool. Use it to bait opponents, cross them up, and create unpredictable mix-up opportunities. Finally, understanding frame data will allow you to optimize your attack timing and punish your opponent's recovery frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.